What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Christina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video, daily vlogs. So in today's video we had a haul on Saturday where we actually spent pretty much our most on dollar tag day. We spent $60, that's right, $60 on all of these clothing that we got. So we're gonna break it down in this video, each one, so enjoy. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Christina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We've been documenting it all on YouTube for about 7 months now, 6 to 7 months now. So yeah, seriously, it seems like forever. But today's video, we're gonna be breaking down this haul that we got. So if you are new to this channel, you should definitely consider subscribing because we do hauls videos like this all the time. So I haven't said this yet, but it's mainly for eBay and Poshmark resell. That's pretty much all we've been selling on. So all these clothing that you're about to see is going to be listed on Poshmark and eBay.
Alright, so first thing we found is this medium Calvin Klein women's like motorcycle jacket. Super cool. It's like a burgundy color.
Yeah, not bad. Oh, I actually found this one. It's like this wool or Timberland wool sweatshirt. Super nice, so really happy to actually find this for just $1.
Yeah, Timberland's a great brand.
Yeah.
The next thing that I found was this Express halter top shirt. So cute. But it's a size 6. It's just gray and cute.
Yeah, not bad. We have good luck with Express on eBay, so
for women's, yeah, we have really good luck, and that's a really cool shirt.
Yeah. What is this?
Oh, that's another Express shirt I found.
This is tiny.
I know. Just a small Express white shirt. It has like a mesh top on it, so I thought it was pretty cool, the contrast.
You found this, right?
No, I think you did. Or did I? Maybe.
I didn't find this one.
Alright, then I guess I found it. It's just a Columbia fleece. I actually don't know if it's a men's or women's. I think it's a men's, but it was $1. We always have good luck with Columbia fleeces.
Yeah.
So.
Size medium, why not? This was probably actually the find of the day. It was this Columbia jacket, winter jacket, so I know it's not winter anymore, but we're willing to sit on it till the weather comes. But yeah, super nice Columbia. It's got a nice stitch tag, so with the embroidery, so super nice.
Yeah, it's just an overall really nice jacket. It's super heavy duty, so it'll definitely be worth some kind of like, I don't know the exact jacket, what it is. I haven't been able to find it. I haven't been able to find the exact jacket for comps, but I like similar ones go for a pretty good penny. So. And
I mean, if we can get it for $1, why not?
Next thing that I found actually was this Jaclyn Smith. It's another motorcycle jacket. It's full leather. That's actually the one thing that I was looking up in store the other day. So.
Yeah, because we did make a video on this. We made a trip to the thrift with us, but we didn't actually film the haul because this was such a big haul. We didn't want to make it in one video. So we broke it up into 2 videos. So I'll have that linked up here somewhere. You can go watch that.
We didn't want to bore you guys. Oh yeah, I actually found this also. It was a NASA t-shirt. So cool. We've actually been looking for NASA t-shirts for ourselves.
Yeah.
But that's a women's one, so it won't fit Martin, and
it's not even men's.
That's what I mean, so it won't fit you. It's not for you. Next thing that I found was this American Eagle super soft flannel. It's actually amazingly soft. It's actually amazingly soft.
That's funny. And then I found this Nautica pullover. Super nice. Just a nice Nautica sweatshirt. Picked it up for $1.
We have really good luck with Nautica too.
Yeah.
For men. This next one is a Cabana like Hawaiian kind of t-shirt. Super cool actually. I've never heard of the brand, but it's really like...
It's got like leaves on it, you can kind of see.
It's a really cool shirt. It's almost like a Tommy Bahama, kind of, but not. Next thing that I found was this Pokemon t-shirt. I feel like all Pokemon just does really well for some reason, and there's a new Pikachu movie that's out right now, so it probably is gonna hopefully do well.
Next, I found this Disney. We've had some luck with Disney apparel, so I mean there's nothing special about it.
So this one actually isn't a park exclusive, so it wouldn't be worth as much, but still a good find.
For $1, why not?
Yeah.
So then the next one that I actually found was this wool sweatshirt that when we did the commentary in that video, I said I found a wool sweatshirt, but I couldn't think of the brand when we were doing the commentary, so I said, let us know if you want to know. I don't know if anyone reached out to us yet, but
the brand is Knightsbridge.
Yeah, so just a nice like wool sweatshirt. I don't know, for $1. I just went and picked it up.
Yeah. The next thing that I found was this Victoria's Secret, another halter top. It's actually like early 2000s, like really, I tried it on. It's like a really early 2000s vibe to it, but like Britney Spears. But it's called a bra top, so there's no size on it or anything, so I don't know, but it's cute, and Victoria's Secret usually does well. Yeah. And I feel like because it's like an older thing and like older styles are kind of coming back, like you never know.
Yeah. So the next thing that I found was this Nautica, but it was kind of a bummer because
while I was taking pictures of it, I actually found like 12 holes.
Oh no, not 12.
No, but I think it looks like, because it went through the front, like it looks like someone tried to put the tag through the one side of it or something and then ripped the hole there. I think there was 3. There was
I'll find it in the B-roll.
And there. Next thing that we picked up was this Woolrich Flannel, actually. So we've actually become obsessed with Woolrich, actually, since we had the 1 tip and then sale from it. So anything we can find with Woolrich, we try to pick up.
And this was actually something I found that we actually paid up more, because there was a couple things in this haul we did pay $5.99 for. So this was one of them. It was just this really nice Under Armour button-up flannel, super nice, just seemed like it was almost brand new. So we know this will sell a little more, so we're not afraid to pick it up. Like, we haven't even looked at the comps, but we just know it will sell. So we know we can make a profit off of it.
Alright, the next shirt that we have is this Champion I'm Just That Good shirt.
Just a t-shirt.
Yeah, just a regular t-shirt, but it's nice and like heavy duty, so there's no like actual tag to it. It's a vinyl, or there's no actual tag to it, it's a vinyl tag, so we know it's not vintage or anything, but it's just a really nice t-shirt. So. And then the next thing that we picked up was this Express dress shirt button-up kind of deal. It's like white with little tiny blue squares, but it's cute. And like we said, we do well with Express.
So the next thing that we have is I found this Zoo York t-shirt. Nothing really to it, just like a Zoo York t-shirt. So we usually have good luck with skateboarding brands, so I always like to pick these up, especially when we can find them for $1.
I actually had no idea that Zoo York was a skateboarding brand. I thought it was just
it's like a brand that branched into skateboarding.
Yeah, makes sense. You learn stuff every day. The next thing that we picked up, actually, I found this really, really cool Adidas pink shirt. I don't know what era it came from, but it's definitely a vintage one, and I was looking them up today, and we can probably get around $20, $25 for it. So I mean, $5, yes. This one was actually $4.99.
Yes, we actually paid up for this one.
Yeah, but it was a good pick.
Good buy, because it'll probably be a quick flip.
Yeah, for sure. And another thing that we picked up was actually this Brooks Brothers Polo. So like we said, we like to pick up Brooks Brothers now that we had found that cufflink missing shirt. We found out that it was a really good fast-selling brand, so I guess that could kind of be a bolo for you guys. But Brooks Brothers, this like lavender polo is what we picked up. This lavender polo is what we picked up for $1, so worth it.
Worth it. So the next thing that we have is I found this Tommy Hilfiger pullover, just striped red and blue, so really cool. We have a bunch of these, none of them actually have sold, so we're wondering if Tommy does sell or not, but we're still gonna pick it up for $1.
The Tommy that sells is obviously not the Tommy that we pick up. No, I'm just kidding.
So then the second to last thing that we found, actually was the last thing that we paid up for. It was this LRG like pullover sweatshirt, super nice. I just know we've sold some LRG before, so like I said, skateboarding brands, they do well for us. It has the Fighting Irish on it, but it's like mixed with their logo of like the giraffe, so pretty cool. It's still got the tag like right here where that like every LRG shirt or hoodie has that, so you can know it's real with that.
Yeah.
But then it's just a really nice sweatshirt. We know it'll definitely go for more than $5 that we paid for it.
It's a really cool take on the like Notre Dame Fighting Irish team and their logo, so I feel like whoever supports that team might want that, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know.
And then last thing that we have to show you guys is...
I'm actually really excited about this one, but it is a Warner Brothers Looney Tunes pullover crew neck sweatshirt. So we picked this one up for $1, and I was looking at the comps today. They go from like $20 to $25 as well. So that'll be a really nice flip. Hopefully it goes quickly too, because I was noticing a lot of things that have Tweety Bird on it sell a lot faster. So she's on there.
That's really cool.
She is on there.
And it's like a nice embroidered stitch, so really cool that we found this just for $1.
Yeah, heavy duty. Nice.
Yeah. So that was pretty much the haul that we had. So sorry if it seemed a little weird. Our camera always cuts out after 16 minutes of filming, so we just started a new clip. But like usual, these are all the clothes that we got. A ton of them.
We spent $61.75.
We spent $61.75 on all of this stuff. So now we pretty much have to pack it all and put it away and then continue on with our day.
It's already taken pictures and listed.
That's nice. That's nice. Okay, here, let me get this. Oh my goodness.
So many clothes.
I know.
It's like, why can't I get out now?
Why do we do this to ourselves?
Because we like the profits.
Yes.
Wait, my shirt.
Nice.
Come on, Pin Man.
We didn't even use this light.
Oh yeah.
So what are we doing now?
We're gonna go garden.
Oh yeah, we have to go garden. Let me get my computer back. Normal.
Alexa, turn the lights on.
Let's get out of here, out of here, out of here.